So I'm Robin. So we are going to discuss question number 16 from GATE 2016. So we are supposed to choose which of the following operators is Hermitian. Now as you can see, there is a trick to just solve this question. Now either you can just assume the states and look at the Hermitian conjugate, and using that you can actually solve it analytically for any general procedure, right? But in this case you can say it's d by dx everywhere, right? Now what is the operator which you know in terms of d by dx? And that is Hermitian. It's p, the momentum operator, I d by dx minus I d by dx, right? I'm taking h bar to be 1 in this case. Okay, so clearly p is Hermitian, but d by dx would be IP, right? Now that is clearly not Hermitian, because if you take this, it would be minus IP, dagger, which is minus IP. This is not Hermitian. So this is not Hermitian. But let's look at d square by dx square. Now if you took p square, that would be minus I square d square by dx square. Clearly this d square by, since p square is Hermitian, now the mine d by d square by dx square has to be Hermitian. This is the correct option. Now we know the correct option is B, but let's also verify other options. Now d by d square by dx square is, but if you put I with it, it will ultimately become non-Hermitian, just like d by dx, right? Similarly with d cube by dx cube, you can see the problem is, d by dx is non-Hermitian, but d square by dx square is Hermitian. So this is gonna be non-Hermitian, right? So these two options are also incorrect. So the correct option is option B. Thank you.